How to create a quiz in Microsoft Forms. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz on Microsoft Forms. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Microsoft Forms, and after that you have to go to their official website, that is myforms.office.com, and after that you have to log in or sign up to your account, to your Microsoft account, as I have already signed in on my Microsoft account. And as you can see, on the template section there is a template called quiz. You just have to simply click on that, and here you will see multiple types of quiz templates. You just need to select one that fits your category or your liking, and after clicking on here, as you can see, scavenger hunt activity for kids, that is the quiz template I've selected. So it says scavenger hunt activity for kids, and the date is here, June 25 2025, and this is an example activity with a mix of riddles and scavenger hunt questions. So total is 100 points in student information, your first name, your last name, your class name, and you can select any option and click on required, that they have to give the provided information must, and that is a must. And section 1, look for something around the house that you can tap or press, which will give you some certs. It comes in handy especially when you are covered in mud. 5 points. So correct answer, soap dispenser. You can just click on here and you can add answer, and you can also give customize your points from here, and you can insert another new question. And the template question is, this is something you can look into and see yourself, and you can also add answer here and provide the points you want to keep on this question, and you can do for all the questions from here. And you can also see there's a section 2, it has neck but no head, and that's a 5-point question, and it has the options, 4 options for one question. You can also add other options from here, and you can just select or unselect the correct answer from here. And on the last one, you can see the which day is the first day of the week. There is 7 options, and the Sunday is the correct answer, and that has 15 points. So that's how we can edit your questions for your quiz. And after that you can click on style, and you can also change the style from here. As you can see, you can change the style from here, and you can also click on preview and see how it will look after completing the quiz and all the information. And you can click on next, and you must give the information here, and then next, and you can just submit on the last page. And you can also see how it will look on the mobile overview. And that's it for this video. You can also click on here and pin the form from here, or you can get pre-filled URL and paste it to anyone you want to take a part on the quiz. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.